shoot that and you're going to hit it. So you're just on the other side of the dirt?
Yeah, I see it.
Alright? You think you can do that?
Yeah, I'll try.
It's a small target. Good. Do you know what's in that bottle? There's a ½ pound of high explosive in there, and when you hit it, it's going to blow up.
Here, videotape it from out
Yeah,
here.
wait till it's...
Or from right behind him.
From right here, Chris. You need to be like right here.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Just put the crosshairs on it and just press the trigger.
It's gonna be bouncy.
A little high, I think. Take your time. That was a little bit low. Just put the crosshairs right on it. Right on the center of that orange. Alright, got it. There we go. I think that was a hit.
Gosh, what kind of ammo did you use? That's amazing.